How to save and recall a frequency in the Yaesu FTA-250L radio. Start by entering the frequency you want it to save. You'll notice I can hit the up and down button over here to do quick recall of frequencies that I've recently used. To save it into memory, I'm going to hold down the enter button. That opens up the memory mode. There are 9 different groups. I can scroll through those groups by hitting the group button. I can also go up and down to scroll through the different memory slots. The 250L will automatically assign it to the next open slot, which happens to be slot number 4. I'm going to have to hit enter now again and hold it down. Now it allows me to name this frequency. So it has 121 here, and I'm going to name it approach, APR for short. And I'm going to do that by using these number keys. And now to save it into memory, I hit the enter button and hold it down again. Now it's into memory. I can recall it by hitting main, then memory, and I can go up and down to see all the frequencies I have saved. To get out of memory recall mode, hit main, COMM, and now I'm back to where I can enter in frequencies.